What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today we are on Pennsylvania Gulch. It is just off of Switzerland Trail outside this little town of, like, I believe it's called Sunset. It's rated moderate to difficult depending on what you look at. I think a lot of it has to deal with how washed out it is and like kind of like just erosion or whatever. But we got myself, we got Alan in his nice little bright white Colorado Zr2. So yeah, I'm not expecting too much trouble today, but let's just get after it and see how it goes. So far this trail's pretty light moderate at best. It's a little loose, it's narrow, it's a shelf road, so if you're not real comfortable with that, I mean, it's not a hard shelf road, but it's still a shelf road. It's just kind of a narrow, loose, rocky, washy, flexy road through the mountains. We're crossing through some private property right now, so you got to be aware of that when you're doing this, because oh, what the hell. Now we got a problem. Let's go see what's going on here. So we got this, I don't know, old water pipe laying across the trail. It looks like people have been driving over it, so I'm just gonna drive over it. It's not connected to nothing on the other end, so hopefully we don't yank it down off the mountain.
Perfect.
That's the spot right there.
Yahoo! Yoda.
So we're about halfway through. It's it changed a lot actually. Got a little rougher, loose rocks, not real super steep, but steep. So it's a pretty good little bit. I watched some video on this coming up to this from the Colorado Mall Crawler channel. I'll leave a link to their video in the description. They did a trail guide to this trail. Oh, it's been a while now, but I don't think it was quite washed out as much as it is now. So always be ready, because the trail conditions change quite a bit. Shit.
Yeah, lock it up.
No, I'll just turn on some multi-train.
I'm gonna hop up front again. Yeah, you're on it.
part's gonna be. So this part was a little spicier than I thought it was gonna be. Got through it no problem. Starting to see where the trail ratings come in. So we're gonna get Adam or Alan through it now. Let's go. Hear that diesel. Right there. Keep coming. Don't stop. Keep going. You're good right there. Come drive her a little. Or stay right there, actually. There you go. Come toward me. Oh, yeah, you just flexed into it. You're gonna have to drive through it now. It just popped off.
Yeah.
It's just to push ins.
You just pop it right.
Yeah, well, just go up a little more till we get it flattened out, and we'll snap it back in the best we can. All right, so we finished the trail. Not horribly.
One little piece of trail damage.
Yeah, one little piece of trail damage. We lost the flare on a hard tuck, but it's easily fixed. Yeah, nice, good cruise. A little challenging. We're gonna go back now, swing around, catch Gordon Gulch, and find a place to camp for the night. So, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you feel like it, and maybe hit the notify button. You know, we're getting there. We're getting some subscribers, and we're getting there. So, thanks for watching. Tune in next time. Obligatory steak, potatoes, cigars. it.